Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com here in Addison, Illinois. And today I have a 1970 authentic Pontiac GTO real 242 VIN car. This is a Ram Air 3 original vehicle with build sheets. And it's got power steering, power disc brakes, factory air conditioning. They only built 1,302 of these specific Ram Air 3 cars. It's got its Pontiac 400 cubic inch motor, stock manifolds, as you can see. There's your air conditioning, no overheating issues whatsoever. Beautiful car. All the front nose is in excellent condition. This is known to be all cracked up all the time or split. Factory Atoll Blue color, factory hood tach, as you can see, the Ram Air hood. Beautiful exterior paint, just really slick and straight. Check it out as I'm walking on the driver's side of the vehicle. Nice and smooth, no bubbling, no cracks. Really, really nice paint, chrome, dual exhaust, Pontiac rally wheels, as you can see, and a new set of tires, dual side mirrors as well. Just a beautiful setup. Underneath, this car is super clean. Please check out the photos on it. It's backed up with a turbo hydromatic 400 trans, 12-bolt posi rear end with the rear suspension bar, sway bar, should I say. Beautiful bucket seats, wooden steering wheel, excellent center console, original gauge package, excellent dash, seat belts, headliner, dome light, rear seat belts, package tray with the 6x9s, and really nice door panels optioned with power windows. Okay, everything functions on this beautiful GTO. Okay, both door jambs are nice and clean, just like that. Trunk is in excellent condition. Okay, no rot, no rust, just really, really nice. See the hood tach? Sounds real nice. Really nice restoration on this 1970 Pontiac GTO Ram 3. Excellent stance as well. Suspension feels great on the car, guys. No issues whatsoever. Check it out. You can check out more photos at MGMClassicCars.com. Okay, you'll be able to see the trunk underneath, more of the engine, interiors, over 100 photos that we've taken, and tell you everything about the vehicles. All the vehicles get inspected. In the back there, we got 4 lifts and mechanics here that check out our muscle cars for us. If you guys are looking for financing, and if your credit score is between 600 and 739, you will need 10% down. We go up to a 144-month term if needed to keep that payment super low. Again, you will need 10% down for that. You'll find the credit application for you folks between 600 and 739 at MGMClassicCars.com on the finance tab, okay? For those of you who have a little better credit score, 750 and higher, no money down option is available. Unsecured loan is available with super low rates on the market for muscle cars. All right, check that out. Go directly to my lender's website, fill it out. They'll get back to you in 1 business day. And that would be lightstream.com for those of you 750 and higher on your credit score. If you're thinking about delivery, not a problem. All our deliveries are insured right to your driveway for the purchase price of this vehicle. Grab a pen and I'll give you my phone number at the end of the video, give you a quote. If you're watching on YouTube, subscribe to my channel. We have something coming out tomorrow that's really cool. I want you guys to check out, so subscribe to my channel. If you're watching on Facebook, like it and share it. You guys got that pen handy? That's great. My name's Thomas. You can text me, call me at 847-848-1850, and I'll repeat the number. I reply quicker on text message than phone calls because I'm really doing these photo shoots every single day here at MGM, so I'm really tied up on the phones a lot. But really, I will get back to you either way. My phone number is 847-848-1850. Thanks for watching MGMClassicCars.com.